Okay, a few last tidbits for us. So first, we'll go to the profile screen. You've got your achievements. They're really focusing on badges here, but it's hidden under 2 clicks. So if you want to focus on badges, we really want people to feel pride in the things that they're accomplishing. And so these badges hidden 2 clicks away are not going to be something that I really strive for or achieve for. Number one, I've only done 1 run. That's embarrassing. But if you open up the Uber app, if you're a driver, actually next time you go in an Uber, just ask your Uber driver to open it up and you can see that they have badges and they're quite proud of their badges, even though they only see them. This is something that, how many rides you've done, your reliability score, these types of things are pretty pride-inducing for folks. And I think Peloton's probably underutilizing these. Same with the number of workouts. So if you've gone to a Peloton class before, you know that the instructors call you out for getting to 100 workouts, for 200 workouts. Like, how impressive. And yet this 253 workouts, like, my gosh, I've done 253 workouts. That's crazy. Can we up-level that so that the instructors are, reaffirming this benefit, this goal, this target that is in the app? And so my goal now should be to get to 300 workouts. Like, how quickly could I get to 300 workouts? They're really this power of the instructor setting the target and then the app reinforcing it is probably something that Peloton could go harder on. And then finally, look, this is pretty cool. I get to unlock a feature to follow other members to see what they're doing. Probably only effective if my friends are on the app, although I do have friends on the app. And so, this is like taking a page out of the BeReal book, where BeReal basically puts something behind a curtain, and if you do something, do you get to see it. This may be too high of a barrier, this 3 members, because I don't really know if I have 3 members. I'm not exactly sure what will happen if I click this screen. I have to enter a username, which means I have to know 3 members' usernames. Probably too much. And so would probably do something like suggesting members for them to actually follow, or just lowering it to 1 member and getting people just to do something to actually engage with this. Peloton is doing a lot right. They have a few areas to improve, but the thing I'm most excited about is the future. So AI is coming, and many times that scares us, but personally I'm very excited, and I'm most excited for Peloton to figure out how to integrate AI into their app. And what I mean by that is you can imagine an AI coach that is helping me achieve my goals. So for me, I'd like to work out at least 5 times a week, minimum 10 minutes. Peloton currently in the app never even asked me what my goal is, never even asked me what my target is. You can imagine that there's some AI coach out there that's asking me, reminding me, giving me tips and tricks in order to get there. What this does is give me some visibility. I'm kind of usually just flying solo here. We have a lot of personal habits in our lives, from eating to focus to working out, and they're kind of something that you have to do by yourself. If other people can know your goals, if other people are aware of the things that you're tracking towards, it's going to help you achieve them. And it probably wasn't possible before. Real coaches are expensive, labor is expensive, and with AI, it unlocks the promise to really help us achieve the things that we want to in life and not have to do it all by ourselves.